Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to remove text from an image in Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you have to select an image that contains a text. Here you can see, this is the image and here is written free as a bird. So can we remove the text in Canva? It's very easy. Just go to Google Chrome and come over your Canva, and then I'm gonna upload that picture in Canvas Cloud. And now I select the photo, just resize it, and then select the photo, come over these edit photo sections, and then here you can see there is an option called grab text. If you click on it, and then that this kind of interface will appear, and they're gonna suggest you to select this text. So I will select the text, and now all text is selected, and I will click on grab, and the AI will automatically grab the text in this photo. So if you just want to remove, then click on this dot icon, and the image is free from the text. So this is how you can remove any text in your any image in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.